elections?
I think I was on the private political but your organization. Very branch. Branch elections.
Right.
And the enemy of election about to get foreign. If you are married, and the battle.
Right.
Yeah, NDC, the Central Party Congress. Sompa
Eric, mbajo ubetima reposition wo ho. I say yinya breaks e wo line no mu. Yeah, for now I think yeah. Eric, I think is it that Uber reposition now we have to call you back because yente dia wo kanokra and I say who use mouthpiece ana earpiece ana I say yente dia wo kanokra until we have to call you back na ya hwe nia ewo ho enum abusan for MK Eric and yendin ko ye communication team member ewo ye Techiman South Adema NDC na enra ruling na high court ruling I say 6 months na wa ukita position bia no resign no obi di court by nipa no anye successful but yedi hu nkomo Eric ye mo akwa ba biem. Hello. Okay. Ma yenhwe na yen connect na ewo ha before Eric besen ba homa no so no gifty import na airfree gifty say okra niema edema eye Ghana for enti ba bibia wo bia wo pese gifty ekra de ma wo a obetimi aye wo Techiman ha wo bono isi ha ba bia Ghana ha ba bia wo pese ye kra enema de ma wo no gifty ebeye okra niema bi te say Prajia brand new one motoken na afi motorbikes ahodo nyina wo mu ebe kra ede amount na ne niema kra no sei nete wo betua ebo no fa wotua ebo no fa na ode efa na aka no ede aso ode niema no ba na wakotua fa no na waje niema no saa na etie ewo ho gifty import say ba bibia wo bia no ade bia wo pe any country bia wo pe saade na afiri ho no wo mo betimi de aboa ana ye betimi akra ede amount na wo mo kra ntade school bus ahodo fridge ahodo car ahodo wo mo kra TV tape nom ne ade bia wo pese ye kra mawo wo ye boutique wo pese ye kra ne mama na wo ton television wo pese ye kra ma na wo ton ade bia pese ye kra de mawo na wo ton no wo mo betimi akra ede amount eno ane se wo be friend number we na wono wono adi edwa wono wono aye enhyehyeye 0596 417 934 0541 370 186 unya fresh number no pe wo mo ne ebetwen enkomo a ebe ma ho kwan na afi bibia aye kama ede amount ade akye bia ne emu ensem dwumade no fa edikan na yede ma na yaka wo se ene efia danti no Friday special ewo ho ye de nkomodie prapra kwan mu na afi ye de Friday special no aba abeso so ama bibia aye kama badwafo betena se ye beso aye adwene ahodo na afi ya je wonso adwenkyere aka ho se de be bibia be kama na mo nso okita ka okita prajia okita fidie bia obeto fuel agumu dia ene obekọ Goyle Bank Uma Estate ma menye adwuma enwie me ba ye beto aso ewo ha enom Eric, good morning bium.
Good morning.
I think it's better now. Right.
All right.
Now one no gusu a wo kan kire ye say part no won hwehwe ya mo de ye mo ade e ho na ahoma no ya ade nti to aso mayen.
Okay, me that's I'm a party BBO by
Sompa FM.
Party. The National Democratic Congress. BBO, your watch is
right.
Beginning of this year, I feel we shall see your church ni Pani Power that party and no IFM CEO of the party, Honorable Fifi Diaviquiti. Ade Akye Abia on things the guidelines I won't say it to me from. Ade year she share branch organization, constituency organization, regional organization, national organization. So guidelines ni muna omode buy say obi bia wa kura government appointment say CEO, MD, deputy CEO, NMCs, any ministers, deputy ministers. So per se some party no e wo konya biso the party for the two about months so be executive of the National Democratic Congress who could operations we need beer a woman's of operation here and 6 months to nomination,
right?
But and yes secretary and a dinner a trust and by the National Executive Committee, the NEC, IFM and NEC. You got the National Executive Committee, and it's just regional executives count, constituency executives count, and a national executives don't count, and a council of elders. You can't omunina boom, omuna IFM the National Executive Committee. That committee will the course financier. I want this argument when it buy, and you need tobacco, and I didn't pay these guidelines when it buy. Almost the guidelines when it buy, or more, Minaso or Yaya Constitution, who kind the NDC Constitution Article 54. And by who quite a bit beer, you know, called organization, I wouldn't say party, no, to the National Executive Committee. Let me nothing, and the guidelines in the back. Some guidelines in the Burma party, Mrs. Yano, need to be dino, at a cost 30, and Kobani say, will be a sorry or yet open.
Right.
Number 2, guidelines whereby a killer said, will be a work by appointment, president amount letter craft as a appoint you DC, MC, and answer Metropolitan Assembly officer. And I said minister, deputy minister, CEO, and I said deputy CEO, and I said managing director. A party need to say pere yo etimi diba e wo felt no so on person be position government position now decide no about the intimidate for at the position,
right?
Because obi be wa ku government position that this is say o person was be party secretary wo ne peso aso a e ba che bra be ni kan okore on the clear power no police ni nyina on da no dice economy on da no ni bibia o say pere between daddy send me daddy because obi wo wa on kura fi but I say that on so person ba be some party but wo kura bibi e wo tu wo sanya hu sika wo da de ne ba o be intimidate crofo party for mu ni fi enso o mu capability capacity and ability to perform in the role of the party executive inti sanentina party through the National Executive Committee ni sidadi so person we some party ni the idea for some government appointment then to number 2, one of the benefits was a Ghana who nothing budget and this is sa guideline where you are say. So could a government position now some person will put a party position now. Who person use government position and influence party position this elections so and let be corruption and the banner.
Right.
That's what you say. And the corruption but because one year so person would be sikabe the every room. Sikano person do room or salary now. We as appointee unyano and do so you know but you want to start a cocobo or mine is kind of so now the base argument in the party way back by yesterday this time around corruption ya dia ye chiko kokoko I am corruption mean say o ba biara into quite biara so he just see on drama mama or the warning ke sepa to the appointees who say we biara we be mistake kama corruption and mean say one ni be deeper and a party is so soon because your campaign you the kwa bon tin for your catch the Ghana for so corruption catastrophe shining during the I feel a mining dachi a quite no Sadly, ye ba Ghana for dum ye say, Mumu Queen say yen Baba say Rumwa, ye ba yes, I no money did. And a Ghana food tea in the party so Asian about a chikutupa through this regulation. Because yan person will Baba Quack or Bobbies, or Manis can now be a party organization, now they have a pre-queen be party. Obeka NPP were by no more elections, no more win, no more jam from Mamuku positions. I can say the black second, no more positions. Okay, 2023 report corruption and course or Moko flag bearing election. Okay, reported by Afro Barometer reporter that was a year corruption high.
Okay.
It's a say Techiman for eating body NDC at a party. Said that be Yasuya Nimafufro. Yan pay corruption into almost 2 years about by the money. One cheese, a buyer point via the example, Bob or my Niska.
Okay, into Yansha ruling no in relation to current situation. Now that our court now supporting a party position say, wow, o pese o contest for position be a resign. Deadline also upper home. So what does it mean for people like Yura Sami Jamfi because on resign or that's who Dumamu Yura Malik Basantale George Opariado and it Bebria Ekan Hono our manya resign no na deadline also upper hono. What does it mean for Saudi and ne party no going forward? Is it the case say this uncle for womanya experience from a Jumanani Yemu? Now, when your power no mu throw away all those experiences no away na.
Yo, me that's you. Ye pani phone ni na di wa bugwe. Omo nyina ye national executives me boa.
Sure.
Ene kire se me di chichi mu ba ye no. Ene kire se omo ka neck ho. Omo nyina ko fa di issue me boa. Omo nyina ni pese se article 54 of our own constitution no. Emma neck sa kwenya no say omofa guidelines membra omunyina ni meboa
sure
and ye the guidelines ne bae so far no man ti say me am boss honorable Malik Basintali and as honorable Sami Nyamfi and as honorable George Oparado express interest in any party position be because na kamu interest on the contest here. Like I'm resigning the bad.
Okay.
But court ruling, local court ruling here. You know, so you say party on one constitution.
Right.
Are we a member of the party? You should know what the party constitution says. Also, it's a 1 year party phony beat me as a local court, but only say NDC and you're gragra. You're talking. It will be doing the court, not court at my edit clarification.
Right.
And in a court, and also Article 54 or so, it's a party, two neck, no, it was our queen. Sir, petition now, Mondiabam, and Nina saw in a court in the Bogui. Intelligence will be a 1 year resigning here. At the pan, answer all means of Uber contest for either constituency, regional or national. And then I can ultimately contest the bill because guidelines are very clear. And the guidelines, and yes, it need to back up natural guidelines in the body. And Obia will say ultimately. But what is
right.
So, guidelines, a free neck
and a buyer.
Composition of neck no involve constituency executives. Chairman and secretary.
Very well.
Regional executive, chairman and secretary. National executives and a council of elders.
Right.
And the party leadership or more the MPs no. Omunyina na trans your body guidelines nearby.
Okay.
Into we and nipa crow and a try by.
Right. Indeed, Miss Eric, a fair statement say nipa ba ko na try e de by. But yenhwe say nipa o man resign no bebre. You can't take away from Sami Jamfi say Sami Jamfi was clout around him.
Yeah.
When Sami Jamfi speaks, or majority of Nipa, ye believe, trust, ejinidie, edeno, juma. So if all these people, by way of a directive, a free party, mwabanti, woman unresign, woman to mean contest, be wa. When you say going forward, ebenya nsunsanso ewo mo party no eso
no cre obi bia wodi NGC achiro no obi jetim se me ame boss honorable Sami Fi Yura wa be bo adwuma pa wa be party communication and nim Sompa FM. Like a bear, one in the continue. But the same party now were buying. Okay. I know what Juma. Except for that, a year. I'm buying it in a Juma year. A big party also.
Right.
Say party who are buying a buying in a bonnet year. Party you grow when you pass there are more clouds. But a buying in many year party in engineering and to survive the elections.
Sure.
And I think the big to say, honorable Sunny, the opinion likes or more competence are buying here, more dispensing at the of mining in a
right.
But what I say,
I know.
And the end is also. And just a own party position, I want to be at no party.
Okay.
Honorable Sami before say Obama the national communication. Now we can yes argument that in my party as party neighbor.
I know.
Aha, who by the name. So that's called radio or that's called TV. And then about TV and called radio neighbor. Oh, so we move in government and in party.
Right.
It is a I buy up 25 friends that be you another boy. They think you any shit Ghana for any yam, you couldn't with your money. Make you to say, and all your important also, even those party activities also, but NDC moment, person catch you be the team and president. When you're a crash, say NDC a party, you and you pack dumb more, and it's what you pass it, you between a year, right, a buying on so
right.
All of us, I mean, we a good leader. Every good leader, be an Oko and Nimo, also we are there. All meant to be more than one. All meant to be more than say that should be unfrequent. Yanosono, Obetina, no BB. I also between a few nice year, but me, dear, you know, and there's one young. It is how profound will be this avalanche of human resources. I give it to rely in order to prosecute our party agenda and the government agenda.
Right.
But then I'm but still moving here, and also what party in the year. They are buying failure in this in the nuclear campaign.
Right.
Maybe
I know.
Aha. In the best a party for the like anybody said, I could follow in the party, no a party leadership. But yes, so I would say you to say, but you do any operation, did you want buying them? A buying them, she say, a buying them, and so ye because I want Ghana for any that.
Okay. Right. Yeah, that's said we see a year normal. Yeah, finally, we know. Yen share a media budget review. Nra finance minister. Kokin kan honsem anopa minim se wahunu newspaper headlines minority there Canada and a majority so any finance minister by extension aban no obi anso Canada me say Eric mamintio listening to finance minister Owura Dr. Kisel Ato Forsen there strike you kesepa from the presentation no
but that's it they are striking the kesepa on run the budget to read no finance minister Ebana Yano and they say budget well or kind on ram on the Ghana for Sikabi, several Piscabians and their canopy. While finding the tax beyond so I'm not. Even though say in Nigeria to say, yeah, abolish taxes be there to be there and any question. You live your emission tax the court. COVID levy co and import duty levies levy co. But means in election, Abani said that the yes, I have taxi Diamba and by Magana for how big the Ghana put me at it more at the Maya as in line with taxes. No, Yanni saw it me the judgment. Yen United you dance say his excellency John Dramani man by Puntu, you are costing the brain in the year and year from year. If I tell me what,
Sure.
And then contractor Sunyoni Techiman road so for the entire 80 years NPP by no Saquino among fan 3 clients and Miakusu, but then they contractor or buy quine so you quine year my and there you can say your contractors are more Techiman Winchi solar bole wa family roads. Oh, we are it's not a new GE passing on finance minister said yen besira Ghana for the most first cabinet PS. The Modi Mayan, and you saw you bet me the Juma Adia Boa Ghana.
Okay.
And only number one.
Right.
And a finance minister Sakai Eastern region, a friend place is who can see a doubt that be a fat and two, your call for two, a carrying soon the piano. But to make carrying sooner could be soon if you didn't part two, say so. Nekoyati, Chini How. About we say a baby see 3.7 kilometer bridge, the longest bridge ever built in this country. One inch. Yes, I go Uti regional. Dambai bridge and also. Cecilia Peruka say, contractor will ensure so away a bridge.
Okay. Right.
About ways I think was a Classicadia Transport Ministry, almost for 400 million Ghana, almost then the Queen, then the boy public transportation. So, and also, but remember, say another day you soon, Atiko. Won't be well paying.
Okay.
If you are buying on run or this year, Nisika, who say maybe you can MP to someone in this guy, because I'm not saying, yes, I'm buying this guy. Or fund the corruption because I don't know be a coy. But about we by 2 years in the aircoy, Omuniente corruption be anything, Omonze abiding this guy.
Okay.
Omono when you say Yanko Burus can I be doing Yafanya find this ain't no cry. But about we ban say that the Yen is a game and let's say Ubi be just so throw him crack at the comma finance minister on the member who a queen say Ubitman to run a more and I want him to run a more.
Okay, Eric, Edian so na nanka o expect sa obetie na wantie. In other words, low point they went from Nora reading of the budget no.
Oh, budget where I kind of mean cafe a low point be woman because Osha Badia Ghana na wana ni Badia His Excellency John Dramani Mama and Dr. Kesela 2,000 page Ghana economy free from the dark bottomless pit. It gets free from junk rated and they do by the area. You can say low point again because you see low point in that.
Okay.
Low point in the entity member so I want because I found them maybe beer and so my way. Which I am Emma. You see a sembasa. You full sembasa. So I'm journey at
Sompa FM.
One Casano. On run better now, medical culture say. The unemployment figure are able to 13.7%. About by within 2 years. Yatna Yabaka unemployment up so from 13.7 to 12.8 today, and then under 2 years, MPPBG unemployment rate was 8.4% in 2017. Only about now from 8% to 13.7, almost 14%. Yeah, that's about a year unemployment rate reducing.
Right.
Multi-dimensional poverty. Ghana forward to tier woman, you buy 24.9%. And the idea you want free 24.9% to 24.1%.
Okay, so and no, Michael, what does it mean? What does it mean? Does it mean say Ghana for nyina ya yesika for na yenye sika ya free here mu? So what does it mean?
And it says that Ghana for be they're close to 1 million Ghanaians actually free. How near team poverty ni it's my baby babika car I am and it's just a Ghana need beer ni so and as a Ghana need beer as you know or need how beer deal. But not maybe a Ghana P okay. Your friend is saying the World Bank reports on COVID-19 in 2003 and 2024, close to 850,000 Ghanaians were pushed into the poverty line. But what you say?
No. I want to understand. Say, maybe a chemu na me wo hianu mu. Na say ene ma free hianu mu a. Die na yebehunu visibly no. Die na yebehunu ebeka say ampa. assume no hia mu ba ne wa firi hia no mu
the obehu ni say ne skaka kre kuda ono ope atone ma otimi tobi
right
but what you say the obehu ni say ne grania abu kum ne bo abafom no ene otimi tobi
right
but what you say
right
maybe a chummy no ukura 200 Ghana cedis o my way muna untimi fantofi but no ukura 200 Ghana cedis ni bi kaka that's so obenya more back half but what you say and maybe a chummy no ukura 400 cedis untimi do so that's the trend.
So in reality 200 I also kita 200 obenya more half bag ye hwe nipa dodo no e wo sai 200 no bi kita.
Yes. Nipa dodo be p because share inflation you better inflation 23.8% and then you can say 5.7%. From a double digit in less than 2 years to a single digit. Maybe
right.
Okay, food inflation you better fee 31% and then it's below 5%. And it's just a cool pit talk running there.
Okay. Okay.
Because of food inflation costs what? Man who pee, that who pee into NB. But what I mean? Okay.
Right. Eric, for want of time, fancy. Let's hope and pray. Beginning next week, you better full time. I will studio na ya further discussions. I will budget no ho. Bibiani I better for obiem.
Right.
Right.
I mean, the party for us and so I'm Guzam is a bank Techiman South, a local reorganization, yes, secretaryship, and this time, a reorganization, every band in a yet to say, Yepayano, Yen Triani, Edifia, Brantia, Yaba, Ye Nana, what Trinity said was Seraphe, more from a bois, any more pie, any more wood at the mano. Mr. Douglas Badri, a constituency secretary and Techiman and the OBS.
Mention that Sebebre, for you and common BC Hanum, Ade Akye Abia Juma Diesunie, Nana Kwame Usushagi, a executive producer, brother Philip, station manager, Abenata Jamfua, Eka, a ye Tima, ya boa, Eshe Jumadiano Pebia, ye botaye ne se, Ade Akye, in some way, Koso, my numuno, ye church, the Mudi Chiro, eto de bia. Amanyofo no de omoba brofo no mbeba beka ba yinya adaje na yeso brofo no ya ba mu ya je mpanimfo adwen kire de apiso na ye de amansa na ye di yedwuma no wo afidie eso ye live wo Facebook Sompa 106.1 FM systematic press na da Roma eno de ye koho enom YouTube no ye Sompa FM live eno so koho a ubehunu ye just to remind you say na ye Friday enti dwumade no first part no ne ye bewura second part no fa etoso mienu no at that point no ye ba abe chradwen e de sua de Friday special emu but before you be Friday special no Nana Kwame Owusu atena se Shagi
abra
good morning na pom to say
Ade Akye dia Ade Akye Akye dia
that's right
enye kura so that's
enye che nura
konen pen na da yes
no kure
Ade Akye sadia e so obenenam no bebre mu die but in all no no say nyame die fam nti kakra basa menku hu so ho den
sure
ebeyi madam was ebeyi o confant mama o say ebeyi nti kakra I believe say bibia be fine nti nyama ye ebe ni sa na so why sweet na me share madam for bi na was say mo host now a morning show no heavy power na me say what who dey was it you tell the voice that say heavy man na me say okay
ya be pemre na de safo no nyina ahia
ya no nyina ahia
111 because obi anim dia owo no ya pese wo de boa na Techiman tumpon ya botaye nyina no
nka me hwese ke no yokro be na kwa Friday Monday se be di nko na o se ogosi de
de we ya
Islamic de ben
ogosi se 12 unit classroom block. Ediama Islamic SDA. I think Zongo and Tamale Station was school never hono.
Was here Ogosi?
Mammy paper no na can you Mammy
12 unit classroom block.
Or say Techiman MC pledges.
And I just
12 unit classroom block for Zongo LA Primary. Bron ahafo eko na report.
Let's don't know Bosho.
Boshe.
Oh, we'll see.
Ti onyansi Boshe afi na obisi.
Minister was. That's what they say Christians and na we shawumbo.
So sometimes don't say this ade some komodie no bands
ansana
obekwa kuhia mpanifo obehye school mpanifo obefa na ade
ebi agro ko no me tu nanim.
That's right.
And you not just say people are reporting and you dey matiase and you on fankomo no omuhia.
Oh, I think say obey and that's obey that school ye popular school.
Oh yeah,
Techiman ha ne location no kra e wo no yeah, very very good pa say say wo ko Tamale station ho a wo fira unama Ahmadia road no so na wani hwe Tamale station e wo wonsa right and sana ube see main road no no school no ho
baby hospital no na
baby hospital no wo no
okay
on the location no say yenya beautiful school bi si ho a e ho be fe pa
yo schools bebre wo krum ha e wo kwan ho a e wo senka ye na brosa
sure
naka e fe bebi wa na yakusi tribunal ya kro na asasa
no why raise fundamental issue pa because ene asase ho ye den
yes
nti say school bi wa asase a yebekwa akosi sa school dance bi akon ano teze de akon na ya say asase no yenwene say bia na daache ye be bie school no mu nti ye madan no nya abrosan
very good
upper floor no yenye ye kura e wo ho
sa
daache ye sika na ye be ya na ye toa so na ye toa so na amana ye kama
and friends so masters as bi wo me
sefa here
ai uduru school no credit say from GCB bank no
aine
on school to
ai Anglican
old school pa
no Ojusek aine
Ojusek o masters as bi wo ho e me ya pa sakra no as all students won no so mpese o mo be ye school dan bi mo na de but o munya brebe asase a o be no miwa no na kwa no kakaka ni nyina no e no makosi say 12 unit classroom block ye bi o sesen o e no makon no a enti o mo da asase o no nyina but then okay nka na brosen
aine
ena ka wo de floor no kra wo ho a nka ye pe ba ye ne no say ye den ye to aso ho enti going forward no I was say and for focus that's school ya ai ofa baby ya iwure ye se for konfu kromo se be fire service for no
okay when you can fire service you
school so wo e ho so asase no school be broma sense asase no nje wo se omo ye na omo ye bibi fa ho se na ma na dey
very well
because omo see private schools no so omo ya almost no more abrosan
because of assassin
no more abrosan but how much more government there say be
abrosan so see additional cost but then also
na individual Christian abanage busy I know there is some na moment
abrosan see additional cost
anyway but so share kwa mo fa so a omo ye na kasikali ye say aban de we dey say kan yiska bia because o yiska ye spend o mai mu ni ade a kan yiska bia
na ma menje wadwen kire taw e wo ansa na ya fa Friday special na e wo ayi NDC for issue ya abai dia na ye di hu nkomo sese on say omo de krata aba abonten say wa okita position abanyama wadwuma bia no so ope party position be didi a for mama fa Sami Jamfi example Sami Jamfi says he na national communication officer edema NDC
oh okay
ena oye CEO edema gold board ena o mpanin for the krata aba abonten say say opese osan ye national communication officer na biodia SSS 6 months what they CEO no to ho
oh okay
na obabeye ne national communication officer
okay
enti no oma ya time na pa ho time no wudwun yi enti what it means ne say omo a oman reason nyina no omumpe
na so omumpe position
omumpe ba na ye di nkoma no pe na Eric kan say aban adwuma no so hia so omu nyina so ye omadwen say omo resign abe pre party position a anhwe ya na aban adwuma no so akoto form aban adwuma no so koto form a obeje position wo party na say we ban ni power ensheda enye ayibia
na so ha dwen
yo ko fa na edi mami ti o kakra omo de court ba court no abo agu say NDC ni bi de court say sa directive no nka court nhye party ne so ntumi nye sa
ogo na court no abo agu
na court no say there be party no won mra ne hyehyɛ nti omo mfanya adwuma so it means say Sami Jamfi Basentale Jojo Pareado bebre a omo won national positions a omo resign no so omo de mra no ye adwuma de a e kire say omo nko biem
okay megram de bia budget nanga
ningina ye mo
I never go on the politicians they are smart na some dey word communication here dem bi
okay
no never it will never happen
we just see you ato ho
Ghana go do nyina ya de ama o ti ma ja to communication what dey
okay
dabi wow but and yes, I'm just video nkwa.
Oh, no, no, nkwa.
But I'm telling you, bro.
Ono ye why CEO de ma why.
What the here then? Ono the pushing down there then.
Ono I think ono a youth bibi.
Ono van
okay.
Oh. But when party no mra no necessary omde here.
Omde here adwuma na court na afo aso no.
And na court na afo aso here pa. Because party bia no say one fa constitution no anye adwuma ya. Eba affect to that because sana we try to won no na nchiri man ba be faso.
That's right.
Enti I believe say o mo hyemra say o pese say NDC su MPP krom so ye bi o say o pese o ba MP ana pese o ye bibia
na we ye CEO ana bibia
ana so bia fato ho ana so we MC a o MMDC is in the fato ho na bra na wana ye MC you be just o be chairman oh we know automatically show clear actually say some of you ready for communications
right
so we dem la dey adwuma dey no ano no
ayine
ba what I say and dey no ano no
okay
na Basentale no che say ono so onye ready for
Jojo Pareado ne omo mkeka ho
ba we dey ha NDC e ba affect omo in a way
kwan benso
communications no me communication no da hwe wonim party bia both NDC and PP ni nyina onim ade ba kwa so mo hye no so no say o communication you weak a e fa ho ni adwuma chairman ne wan ne president be ye o party no e beti ato
right
because when communication the key a year omona e bo ne ma aban na ye echechiri ma eto ni party man crofo ye convinced ko to aba. You all know say you obiti say say very excellent man when it comes to communication. If you're going to fast on your communication. Oju say ofa asem na obe make sure so obe domo sukwa de wure fam amadi party de awokana se. Enti say Jefi nana wa you all know say and this fo nyina person Jefi asem. You tuni nyina obi nipa de fa hu nyana 100% there. But omo penasem no more than omo
ayine omo penasem
all because of the communication tier
right
enti that position wo ja to no and so na eye me fierce kakra because no be a CEO no tin kasa bebre say CEO no tin kasa no say some division kasa utim kasa bebre enti party ni sem no hwan na ekoka do mamafo ho de but sem je fit ti wo bia obi to say adwuma na enti de be me kasa say wo ye leader na say wo nya wo bia say wuni wa ye be kasa obi to ye wo adwuma na say wo ye good leader
right
but just what the point na say obi se wase na no ni ye adwuma na say otena wuni ho na say nipa nti mu ye adwuma no say de wo ye no no a na say
wo ye good
leader wo ye good leader
right
you need to train people enti me bisa me say now NDC communication no say some media free wo say sia one neighbor. But there was one guy here we Muslim also was something rigid, very good. where come up, but I don't know how popular our party. What is the Fido? President Mahama won't pick your more.
Tem, and on Makita Umwa,
what is the name from university to Tatas on your maybe a grab? It's a law now, no more good or picking it a bat. Right. What you judgment ye? Oh, your money ye palm, money ye very, very nice. And it's over 2024. So we have communications on me. I think now, none of my command. But now, some of the see scabbard in some. So all 10 free see you back to communication level, no dear.
A
bedding.
Right.
Do but Macassa. But ultimately, Casabi said they are now or your communication officer. Only did demonstrations or your press conference upon press conference. Now or a press engagement. Now or your way, no question way more. Now one wants to camera so no church in the Mono, says Edmano. A bed because in the bed in Abadoso.
Right.
After some man could feel could just crown. And as I say, no, Kone do manim Siciano. One, bit is a general mosquito. On his own, who do what else we do the chairman?
Or no, your board chairman, I think, or Mecca.
Yeah, or a board chairman. Or a board chairman. I mean, I can't.
I don't know the income.
I don't know, okay. And I can't go to all. Because, says General, say, oh, there are my advice, says General, but presidential reason, for me, dear, I was in Kujai.
As in Kujai.
Yes.
I think.
Then just what I say, oh, say General type 1. Okasa. And this is 40. More respect ne voice. Anytime you won't say, I said, don't get Yakasa Biano. Na and this is for what home. Say, General Son here no so behold you. Presidential position now. And that's what Casano. Casa rough be no thing can be. What was say at times I bet my critique jokes be near be is like and the eyes who would position be empty.
Right.
What's the person who would position? Position was a guitar which you can say be but the position you make it was how rough no to me. If you would dress in classes,
I know correct.
Or dressing what did you mean you say but did do rough so jai. Kwan cherry we do be now we start stepping in who position be that account how jai.
Me da say.
Enti I think say semi fee not just automatically say compare constitution there say communications no or out or maybe but I think say they will get equal personnel.
Yeah, one guy be sorry Dr. Sam Aye.
Okay.
Or a young guy to just semi jemfina and who share NDC platform bebre so do donate project no. Yeah. Or ta ko Sompa FM Accra. Okay. Program so.
I think say on equal people.
Yes, oh yeah, presidential staff Accra.
Okay.
Nti
o metima be yetuma.
O metima.
O metima be yetuma.
Me da say.
Ni na yetuma. Nti your mom pay na.
Yeah, budget no quick one answer na the budget quick one is
Fana interest on power.
Nyame yadma Monday ni be nyada de.
Monday ya de kuku da baba.
Ya do musuko.
Papa na ya do musuko.
But minister say Ghana for 950,000.
Yeah then.
Wo ma free him.
Okay.
Aba hontom.
Oh okay.
950,000. Also ma free multi-dimensional poverty no mu e de aba. Also 2024 no na ye 24.9% and 2025 year 21.9%. Enti no u translate percentage no ba real figures are and nominal figures are 950,000 Ghana for. And no nkomo and pay na me bisa Eric. Now Eric say what simply a chira say kakra bi ekita nipa no otim de to enema
otim to modi tam jana wo okaka mo na
ma me ti o quick one ayenko Friday special so
matia na on say enura budget no finance minister he did well we hear the posture now we hear the way I see present na very excellent. Sure. Oh yeah, the mona baso because is how jumano will be jumana so connect yeah. Or the to I will say more simple sir. Oh yeah, dear me all the time no bomb baso because say a Sunday mukra no ye dey you catch will be so making quotation. Now we do one who systematic working quotation room and one motivation and sounds on them. And so also did a woman, but you also done the say it's not easy. Indeed, I think he did well because I share minority for the minority for the bad. Hey, you can get no more than this as a man.
Oh, my day.
As a one what about
but minority, there's an eduman, no.
On
my demand and minority.
Just by the way, in fact, say Osha in summer or more canoa. Aye, Quambisuno, Maboma, Atofos Abasu.
Okay,
Babino Mayade. You see $2 no de bendebeno, or my idea.
Oh, my idea.
Inflation, no. A basin got the 3 point something.
3 point something.
3.4, 3.5. I think it's okay.
Okay.
Why are they?
Right.
Good. Excellent. You give me free in some.
Monday,
GDP was GDP.
Let me see. Okay. Mention figures no. So okay, inflation 5.3.
5.3, okay.
GDP 6.0.
6.0, yeah.
Non-oil GDP 6.3.
Okay.
And gross international reserves 5 months of import cover.
Okay. Nti ohwe niam wa bobo so nyina na ka kire wo se aban no yisikasem ne ye gbadie ne ye niam bi no it's like
oh my idea. Okay.
But it's on paper. No,
they are can say a better translate.
Antiaman kwa. Jona otomba 50 pesos no. Ba ko pure tobacco. Yi ba ko peja mo wa no fe no 50 pesos no. Nke be 10 pesos.
Okay.
But what I say because say see me kodwom. Now they will say a mono boy day. Aba form. Ni na ye tiase. No akram ko to mo bi. O na bo no ye kama pa.
Okay.
Because first na e hosoro. Aba form. But you say mo na half bag no. Tiase me ni pa o. Ba half bag no ye ebia 300 cedis. But first na be 600 and now say 500. But you say 300 Ghana cedis. But you shouldn't forget say inflation is 5.something%. But baby no na inflation here is about 28 or 20 something %. Na sa mo kro no 5 million. But no kwenu to na buru 10 million.
Okay.
But what I say? Yeah, bro, no ko kan en fa ho. Keni bia na wasore ya okọ na vum no bro na ko kan no.
Minority crack can say budget ni na ye brofo.
Bro, on fa one. Systematic papa wo kurindi say apiska we are going to on found what are they
now dear na kwafo no hwe
dear kwani hwe no say we dey more dey boy fu so what is short you be me hwe na more dey boy fu no problem 5 million is about 3 million but first no na buru no you turn 10 million you know betima to e mo no awoka no betima to 2 bags 5 million we turn 2 bags ben na 3 million aburu no 3 million
nti o ton bag back we obeto mo back
but what is it wo dey be no jira enti ya sa bro mo kaka no maka say this for them before they mo e do mo ko position no they should stop those brofo no na omuma ade no reflect wo ku ani botom enye wa say what ya mo so ate anwa so ntia no na ate mo te anwa so no ade a nka sese nka de boye de no so koton onye ni sika no en banche ezi uni banche abobo ya bako bo anu duru fi aso no bisa abobo ya bako banche abobo ya bako say 7 million be first no na 30 million
okay
3,000
okay na say so ate pa
what I say 3,000 abobo ya no so mo akodo e be 3,000 be 25 million
Sompa FM.
Say no sa 3,000 to 25 million gram for 25 million no. Say 25 million abobo ya ba ko banche ba aye wo to know. When you 2,500. Na mo na ye 10 million. What if I 10 million? Mo be 10 million. Obi to say.
And there is Roberto bag me no.
very good. We want to be to bag you. Nasa. And ne sa 7 million. Mono. Mono ye 10 million. As in fact, 10 million. Just in fact, say 2020 million about 5 million. We be to say.
Not just say.
7 million.
7 million.
Back. But what you see? Can you be able to say this analysis?
On Fabrofo Nebe.
On Fabrofo Nebe.
What the akunta.
What the akunta. And the better all these analysis.
Obesi sa buru ne abosia gu ho. No wa check say kan e meton bag ba ko.
Na minyesi. I don't know what Ghana for the trouble.
Okay.
And the ball ayi on say that time bra aguva do lose election. Na ade say bo me be lose. Say we say petrol no. At 14 point something.
Later no.
14.3, 14.9, okay. Whatever. But with him say, I go for the move for no. Na 14 sa.
Ti asan ba abegina ba bia na egina.
Mba jo kwacha se. Na 14 sa. Na 14 sa. But that time no kwe koton de a. E driver ni. Mfa yan fa tsa da ba for bufu a. Na wo kukuma sa na say.
And nenso kwese.
And nenso kwese.
Okay.
Mbajo what I say. Enti omo be ye all this
the analysis.
Me
da say. Nyame ya doma Monday be ba be.
Monday be ba be say no pa. Wo se see say me ko handa ya mawa. Ana ye ko handa ya. Obi abeka kire say and dan price. Any first price no. Different. Enya pe wo. Se say I increase kakra. E koso. But niama boro so de. Se na me si ton me niama ka benyi sika no. Eno na bafam.
Okay.
Nti me sika asem no enye eje na wo pay no. Se wo gi pay 5,000 a month a. Bi sa ho say 5,000 a wo gi no. Ne adodo si ne bitimi dia ma. Na say na efi winsem.
Okay.
Wo hu. Nti saka kulisi no mo kwotna parliament wo no makasa. Eno ato force nko tintin na nia bri ni tiri ho a na wo kasa owie ya minority leader wo say
Afenyo
Markins. One so bubo mu ntokura no. Eno mum na mehwe se NDC se ombenya good communicators. Nice communicators. Sabe you ombetimi acheche ne mum dia yeden. Achira amanfo atene amase.
Shagi me da say enen komo no fan edikan no ye de besi o ye wura fan etroso mienu no emu na yakọ